So you're probably not wondering what we're doing. I'm up here in Montana. I'll be up here for 14 days. I'm up here at the Wild Horse Range right now. Some Wild Spanish Mustangs has been running the mountains for about 200 years. That trace back to Spain. So we'll be filming those, looking at some old rustic cabins. Been here since the early 1900s, and just overall enjoying the beauty. So the drive up yesterday was a lot longer than expected. I didn't do a whole lot of filming. I was trying to get on top of the mountain before we got into the dark time. But we got up here pretty early enough. Got the camp set up. Got some media downloaded. And saw the horses for you. We pretty much turned in. Woke up to, I think it was about 2:30. Nice big thunderstorm, some rain, lightning, thunder. Nothing better than mountaintop thunderstorms. Just amazing. Got kind of a sore throat this morning. I don't know if it's because I got to turn the heater on a little bit last night, or my allergies seemed like it was pretty bad coming up, and it was pretty stuffy. But hopefully that'll go away as get some fluids down there and loosen it up. It's pretty green up here. As we were coming up, a lot of so the mountains are kind of a mixture of desert, a little bit of red rock, and then temperate forest. And coming up, we had to go through some of these sandy wash bottoms, and it looked like they've been having some pretty good rain because there was a lot of stuff that was washed out from some flash flooding. I did go yesterday. Kind of the reason why we were late getting up here. We did go and try to find some petroglyphs down in this canyon. But when we got over there, there was a guy and his wife, a couple dogs, that were high-centered in a little culvert, or not culvert, but a little stream ravine. And so I had to pull them out. And then I wasn't able to find the petroglyphs. I was kind of in a hurry because I didn't want to get up. I wanted to get up on the mountain before it got too late. So spent an hour or so looking for those and couldn't find them, so we'll have to do that again. Flipping the Nomad hammock system, shelter system, from Eagle Nest Outfitters, and was way protected from the storm. Didn't get any water, survived the wind, and just comfortable. Did get a little bit chilly. Cranked up the buddy heater, let it run for a little while, shut it back down. But overall, it slept amazing.